Clean Carfax, 3-owner car, well maintained. Just a little over 81,000 on it is all. 2.8 liter inline 6 underneath the hood. That's paired up with an automatic transmission, 5-speed automatic. Power steering, power brakes, AC. Technician that looked at this car noted AC needs a little TLC. It is in op. Consignor said announce it, price it accordingly. So that's what we're doing. As you can see, bright blue paint. Nice shine to it. Good condition. Take your time looking through the still pictures. You can be able to see the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Correct BMW wheels, Michelin radial tires. Let's take a peek down this passenger side. Speaking of tires too, I wanted to mention rear ones will need to be replaced. Technician also noted that. Like I said, consignor said price it accordingly, announce it, so that's what we're doing. On that passenger side, you can see free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. I mean, it's a 1999 with 81,000 miles on it. You may find a touch up here or there, a small imperfection, but overall, car shows well. Fun one for your local summer drives, roll-ins, cruise-ins. Just taking it for a cruise. Of course, leather interior. As you can see, light gray bucket seats up front, center console. We'll get around to the driver's side, check that out a little closer. We're going to start it up, let you hear it run, take a peek at the engine bay. We're even going to take this one for a drive, take it out on the road, show you how the top goes up, check out the condition of that. But first, I want you to remember we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. And once again, those still pictures, you're going to be able to see the underside, trunk, interior, engine bay. UniqueClassicCars.com. If you're into imports, maybe BMWs in general, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. A little bit of everything from turn of the century stuff to high horsepower, late model muscle cars. We'll see it all, and some stuff you've never seen before. As we take a look at the driver's side here, again, you can see it's free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. Paint has a nice shine to it. See the reflection from the wall behind us. I haven't noticed any real rips, tears, holes in the seats either. The back seats don't look like they've had a lot of use. All right, of course you're going to have your modern amenities on a later model car with your power mirrors, power locks, power windows, power seat over here, driver's side. Take a look at the condition of the leather, just kind of your typical wear that you'll see on leather. Not noticed any major rips, tears, or holes in the front either. Let's go ahead and check out the exact miles. Start it up, let's hear it run, take a peek at that engine bay. We'll check out the condition of the top. Alright, so radio working, Mr. Petty, and 81,198 exact miles. Top of the dash looking good. Of course, power top, heated seats, and no check engine lights, service engine lights, anything like that. Sounds as you would expect. Again, that 2.8 liter inline 6. Let's take a listen. Let me slip up to the front. I'm going to need to get this hood popped. Open it up so we can see the engine bay. Then, like I said, we'll check out that top and stick around to the very end. Jason's going to take this car for a drive. Hood liner looks good. Hood struts working fine. Holding the hood up. There it is. Very clean, tidy engine bay, no doubt about that. Look at that. Doesn't look like this thing's really been driven in climate weather. And smooth running. Some good German engineering there. All right, let me get my tripod set up. Let's check out this convertible top. All right, there you can see the top up, so top functions as it should. Rolled up the side glass also so you can see how it fits. Nice tight fit above the windshield. Blue fabric top. I have not noticed any rips, tears, or holes in it. Again, side glass, good fit. Real small, just kind of a little wear spot there, nothing major. Did notice a couple of little black trim pieces that go around the cloth. More of a finishing piece really than anything. It's still sewn back here later. Nothing that's going to affect the function of it. We need to put it up in a brief shower or maybe just get out of the sun. It's not going to be a problem. And passenger side, just as nice a shape, side glass. Nice fit there also. So no surprises on the top. Now if you stick around to the very end of this video, I'm going to quick show it going down also so you can see how that functions. And then remember, Jason, how about Jason, the guy that does the driving videos, is going to take it for a drive. Clean Carfax, 1999 BMW 328i convertible. Call us, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Check out all those still pics. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1999 BMW 328i. This is a convertible and we do have the top down today. This is an automatic right here on the center console. Nice smooth running car, very smooth acceleration, tight steering. Our fuel gauge is reading full. Temperature gauge is reading about a third of the way up, almost half of the way. Our tachometer and speedometer are working as they should. Factory stereo. It does have really good sound. It's like HK on the speakers, so multiple speakers in the doors. The leather bucket seats, very comfortable in this car. Being a smaller car, I am 6'1" and I do fit just fine in this car. It's actually an ideal length between the pedals and the shifter, seat position. Brakes are nice and smooth, working very well. A little bit of traffic. There we go. Corners nicely, hugs the ground. And it does kick down when I push my foot down. Very nice running 1999 BMW in very good condition. Take a look at all the pictures and learn about this car at uniqueclassiccars.com.